What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another WAVEMAS video. It is WAVEMAS day 6. It's your boy 360 Juice, and I'm back with another video for you guys. Today I'm going to be showing y'all how to properly wash your 360 waves. I know I did a lot of short videos on that, but today I'm actually going to show you a real video of me washing my 360 waves, and I'm going to be talking to you guys, walking you through what you should and should not, and why not, and you know why you should be doing the stuff that you're supposed to be doing when you're doing the washing style. But you guys, before we get into this video, if you wondering where I get this designer Gucci do-rag from, Christmassy colors and everything, link in my description, 26kingwavymerch.com. Use my discount code JUICE15. It is JUICE15. I repeat, JUICE15 to get 15% off your overall purchase. Now, with that being said, without further ado, let's get right into the video.
They know that I'm never lacking. You ain't never gotta ask me. I'ma do what I gotta do for the fam. I'ma make it happen. Was on the way out, but I'm backing. Need a new bank account with the cash in it.
Yo, this video was 5 months ago, and I only got 12,000 views. Y'all gonna do me like that? I got 100,000 subscribers, only 12,000 of y'all watching my videos. Like, that's crazy. But y'all, let's get into this video, man. WAVEMAS day 6. Did I say WAVEMAS in the beginning of the video, or did I say Vlogmas? We're not doing Vlogmas, guys. We're doing WAVEMAS. We waves on this page. This page is about waves, all right? Let's get it. All right, y'all, so you know, I could play the video, the music that's playing in the video, because I pay for this, you feel me? Anyone that wants to know where I get my music from, I get it from epidemicsound.com. I pay $15 a month for it. If you guys want to sign up for that website, they have thousands and thousands and thousands of good music that you can use on your YouTube videos, and you don't get copyrighted. All right, if you guys want to sign up, I got that link in my description where I get my music from. Just go down there and click on that link. It's gonna take you over and just sign up. You get the first month free. All right, give it a try. It's just dope music. All right, don't miss out on this opportunity. Just go check it out. Y'all see the unrag? Ooh, that's when I was spinning. I ain't spinning no more. Alright, first things first, y'all can see that I was wolfing in this video. Alright, just comb your hair out just to make sure everything is, you know, evened out and lifted up and getting ready for the wash. You feel me? That's why I comb my hair out for. I always start my washing styles by combing out my hair. And guys, that white stuff that's coming out of my hair is not lice or anything. It's just dry scalp. Everybody gets dry scalp. Dry scalp is you know, all over your skin. You shed skin every day. Your scalp sheds skin as well. And then once it sheds, it doesn't just fall off your scalp. It gets stuck in your hair. That's why I comb every day, just to get rid of the dry scalp, and then moisturize, just to keep my hair moisturized and my scalp moisturized. All right. It's just like putting lotion on after you get out the shower. Feel me? You gotta get every last bit of hair. You gotta comb everything from the crown down to the hairline. This one I had my 360s, y'all. It's a long comb session. Man, that junk took up the whole video. What was I thinking? But it's cool. I'm gonna watch the whole thing, you feel me? And I'm just combing it back just to, you know, show y'all how much hair I got on my head. You feel me? You feel me? You gotta do that, man. Don't talk about my hairline. Alright, so boom, right? First thing you want to do, you want to wet your hair. But when you wet your hair, the first wet should be warm water, because you want your pores to be open. Warm water opens up your pores. cold water closes your pores. So it's up to you what you really want to do. I just know that you have to open up your pores just to get all the dirt out, okay? That's why the first wash should be with a little, just warm water, just to open it up, and then shampoo it, get all the dirt out, you feel me? So warm water is recommended, but you do what you want, okay? You experience it, whatever you want to do. Whatever fits well for you, that's what you do, okay? Let's get it. This is the mango scented flavored. I don't know if it's flavored because you're not supposed to eat that or taste it. But this is the mango shampoo by 216 Wavy. You can use discount code JU15 to get 15% off that if y'all want some. And it's linked in my description. So look, right, the first wash, watch. Y'all see that, right? The first wash is never gonna lather like you want it to, because all the shampoo and the dirt and the product buildup and everything over the week that you don't, you know, accumulated, that's what the shampoo is doing. It's fighting that. All right, when it's fighting that, you're not gonna get the lather you're looking for because your hair is not cleansed. It's not clean, okay? But the second wash, most definitely you will see lather. Watch. Lather off bat, okay? You get the lather, that means your hair is clean, ready to go on with the brush session. Now I take my detangling shower brush, I just massage. Take my detangling shower brush and I just go on and massage my scalp. It feels good. Now what I'm doing after I finish massaging my scalp, I just go with my pattern to just lay everything down before I do a brush session. And when you do that brush session, that's where you start progressing, okay? Because when your hair is wet and it's in that soft stage, you can manipulate your hair into whatever position you want. That's why when you wash your hair, you get a lot of progress depending on how long your brush session is, all right? And just like how all the lather is going for my hair, you could add more shampoo if you want to, okay? And one more thing, guys, quick tip. Washing and styling plus wolfing equals extreme progress, all right? Okay, I add a little bit more shampoo to my hair. I add some to the brush because I just wanted to, you know, extra lather. So, and I always start off with my crown because my crown is basically like the center, like the origin, like the thing that holds your waves together. You can't have good or decent waves without a good looking crown. So your crown is like most important thing. Alright, so y'all can see now my crown is in place. Now after I finish with my crown, I'm gonna go distribute the shampoo and the brushing into the rest of my hair. Now this is the part I look for when I'm watching a wash and style video, when I'm judging a wash and style video, or when I'm helping somebody get better or critiquing a wash and style video. I want to see great lather, because when you see lather, that's how you know the wash is working for your progress. It's working to your advantage. All right, if you don't see any lather, you need to apply more shampoo. And if you just keep going and it's not lathering, you're not doing nothing but frizzing up your hair and ruining the whole wash and style. The lather helps lay your hair down. It just feels good overall, and it just makes you feel like you're clean. All right, if you washing your hair and you don't see lather, your hair is not clean. It's not. Now when you're doing this brush session, you could do it for however long you want, 20 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes. But I wouldn't advise you, to be in that bathroom for hours just brushing. because at that stage your hair is very, very soft, and I don't want you to hurt your scalp. So don't go too long, but go just about right, okay? Just about right. That's how you get the best progress. And just in case y'all wondering, me, I brush for about 15 minutes when I'm doing my washing styles. This is the styling method. The styling part is called wash and style. I already did the wash in the beginning. My hair is clean. Now I'm styling my hair to my liking. So now what I'm doing, right, after I finish with the brush, now I'm just going in with my palms to just lay my hair down as much as I possibly can. All right, your palm lays your hair down. You want to do that. And the key to doing that is you want to apply some water. Apply some water to your hands while you're doing it, so it could get the so it could start lathering up again. And once it starts lathering up, that's how you get your hair to lay down. Like I said before, lather helps your hair to lay down, and it's just much, it feels so good to have lather on your hair. So add a little bit of water, put it on your hair, then once it starts to lather up, you take your do-rag real quick. This is a quick process. Take your do-rag and put it on real quick and tie it. And that way your hair is gonna stay laid, because once you lay your hair down while it's wet with shampoo on it, it just stays like that. And then once you know, I'm gonna keep talking as we go along. All right, now we putting on our do-rag. Since I was wolfing heavy, like around that time, I put 2 do-rags on just so I get the maximum lay. Now what you want to do is you want to rinse your hair out with how you do that? With the do-rag on. Do not take off that do-rag and go rinse your hair out. You have to keep the do-rag on with the shampoo on your head, and then go take a shower and rinse out the shampoo, okay? Rinse it out with the do-rag on though. Now after you rinse the shampoo out of your hair with the do-rag on, I highly suggest you rinse it out with, matter of fact, it's up to you. You can rinse it out with cold water if you want to close up your pores, or you can rinse it out with warm water if you want your pores to stay open. All right, it don't matter, whatever you choose, whatever you prefer. And after you rinse your hair out, I suggest you wait 3 to 5 hours for your hair to fully dry before you condition and moisturize your hair with leave-in products. All right, as y'all can see in this video, I didn't deep condition my hair because it would have took a whole lot of time. All right, I like to condition my hair after my hair is dry, and I add my 216 wavy moisturizers, my butters, and my pomades and my oils. That's when I like to do that, afterwards, after my hair is dry. And then this is the final product right here, guys. This is after I condition and moisturize my hair. All right, it doesn't look like that after the wash, because after the wash it'll be dry, but when you add products, it becomes moist and healthy, and it just looks perfect. Alright, you guys, if you watched this whole video and you made it to this part, I really thank you for that. Alright, I appreciate you for watching this video. This is another WAVEMAS video in the books, and I really appreciate you guys for 120,000. I was about to say 120 subscribers, but 120,000 subscribers. We've come a long way, man. If you've made it to the end of this video, okay, I am doing a freaking giveaway. Now, if you didn't watch this whole video, you're not gonna be part of this giveaway, all right? But I'm doing a giveaway, and it will be on December 25th, the last day of WAVEMAS, all right? Because y'all know on the 25th is the end of WAVEMAS, because it's supposed Yeah, y'all get it. But yeah, December 25th, I'm gonna choose five people, and I'm gonna be giving away 2 King Wavy merches, do-rags, brushes, pomades, oils, moisturizers. I'm gonna just pick 5 products. Matter of fact, it might be more than 5 products. I don't know yet. All right, if you watch this whole video, well, that's good. All right, you're part of the giveaway. I'm gonna post the instructions on my Instagram, so if you're not already following me on Instagram, it's gonna be either right here, right here, or right here. Okay, my Instagram is gonna be either wherever it is. Go follow me on that. I'm gonna post the instructions and what you have to do in order to win the giveaway. All right, and that's not gonna be the only giveaway. I'm gonna be doing a lot more giveaways than that. All right, guys, if you do not get picked for the giveaway, please don't be sad, because I will be doing a lot more giveaways. Okay, all right, thank you guys for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, if this video was helpful, I'm thankful for that. I'm giving you all my knowledge. Please make sure to leave a like, comment. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to smash that subscribe button for your boy. Road to 200K. It's your boy 360 Juice, and I'm out of here. Peace.